Hello, I'm Verity Brownbridge. I'm Deputy Head of Early Years. Welcome to the Early Years at Dame Bradbury's and our Early Years hub we call Velocots. Our philosophy is simple. We believe in nurturing confident, interactive, independent children right from the very start. Every step of a child's learning journey with us is guided by our core mission: academic excellence, personal growth and moral compassion. As you look around, you'll see consistent, calming environments because this helps children feel safe and secure and really helps them transition from one classroom to another. Our indoor and outdoor environments are designed to be motivating and engaging. They are literacy and maths rich, so that this learning becomes very much part of children's everyday experience through play, exploration and interaction. Our children are highly engaged in their learning, whether through imaginative play or adult-led activities, because this is where they learn to work alongside each other, develop their own ideas, take risks, and navigate challenges. Our bespoke approach to phonics builds on a love of storytelling and pre-reading skills, developing children into confident and fluent readers. And in the same way, our maths curriculum is designed to stretch and challenge our young mathematicians, promote mastery and strong problem-solving skills. Our curriculum is enriched with specialist subject teachers who lead lessons in French, Spanish, music, and 2 PE lessons a week. And we also take great pride in our whole day of forest school every week. Our children learn resilience and confidence through hands-on and nature-based experiences outdoors. We also have cosy book nooks and a quiet, indoor, woodland wellbeing space for moments of calm. Most importantly, we teach children how to take care of their minds and bodies and how to become kind, empathetic, respectful members of our community. Dame Bradbury's is a place where we value every child's well-being, empowering them to become creative and critical thinkers with a deep love of learning that will last them a lifetime.